Hey, baby.
Wow.
It's what day today?
You're asking the wrong person, Chief.
Friday.
We are Friday.
We are Friday.
Friday equals project day. Let's fucking get her down.
Alright, so we got a couple different things for today. We have this LA sweater, and it's blank on the back. It's a gray, pretty much a full
hello.
blank. You'll be my clothes rack. And we also have
What's next?
this pair of jeans, and we're going to be painting the back pockets black, and then possibly doing some stitching in this hole here with some other colors of denim.
Oh, this is exciting.
Excitement! Okay, so one tip that I have for whenever you're putting tape on pants is to put it on your knee. Make sure it's inside out, kind of like that. So you put it on your knee, and then it's only one side of this. You're not pushing on the ground on the front of the pants with the buckle or whatever. That's super fucking annoying. So take a piece of tape, line it up with the top of the pocket, like that. Just make as good of a seal as you can. And then work your way around the pocket, and then we're gonna work out from the pocket. It's just like when I do all my painting work on cars. It's very similar. You just gotta line it up as close as you can. The thing with fabric though, you have a little bit of play to take something pointy if you want and shove that painter's tape right up underneath so that no paint is getting in. Last piece left to do right here, and then we'll work on the outside of the pants to make sure that we don't get any, or at least not a lot of overspray. No, we almost lost the tape.
I got it.
All right, just shake up the paint. And then we just kind of pick a pocket and start. You only want to go across in really light strokes first, just to cover it, because it is fabric. Oh, I got a little overspray here, but it is fabric, so you don't need to go crazy ham unless you want really, really stiff pants. A light coat like that will be fine, and then we'll do one more later. Do you want me to do the other one, or do you want to do it?
Do it, honey.
Sure. All right. And just kind of clear up any little spots you missed, but then you can just leave it here to dry. We're thinking of one more thing to do. These are the pockets that we just did. They're still drying. Wow, they look really black on video. But we're thinking of doing a lot because I got a little bit of overspray here. You can see it on the pants there. There's like a distinguishable line. So you know it's not supposed to be there. So we were thinking, all right, we can add a little accent piece of just a straight line that only goes on the right-hand side of the pants. That way we have a left-hand line that's a rip and a right-hand line that's a line, and it's like, it's symmetry without being too symmetrical on both sides.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think it's a nice little tasteful touch that we can add to the pants, and it also covers up this little mistake here. So it's dual purpose, win-win.
Win-win.
Yim zim. Right?
It's not okay.
You're what?
My butt is not okay.
Yeah, well, you're sitting on concrete. You refuse to sit on the chair. All right, I'm probably not going to go any thicker than that.
No.
Just a tasteful little line. Tape it to the ground so nothing moves. Square it off right here. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Looks like we're done. Or at least close to it. Just don't want to get more overspray and fuck up even more. Because that's something I definitely would do.
Don't forget that little whore in here.
Ah, good eye. Good eye. I gotta make sure this lines up perfectly straight. Like that. I am so artsy, even though I fuck everything up. There we go. But now that is how you do a line on a pair of pantaloons. There we go. There might be a little overspray here because the tape lifted, but we're gonna let this dry. I'm gonna hit this corner one more time. There we go. We're gonna let this all dry. It should all look really good when we're done, and then we'll get to see the finished product. Damn, bro, that's a long way down. All right, so This pocket is now dry. We're gonna start taking off the tape. So give me a second, I'll show you guys the finished product of what these finished pants look like now. All right, Jesse, come here. And these are the finished product.
Pocket.
Give me a little spin. Boom. I think they look fantastic. Let's get it back up. Turn around.
In the pocket here. I love that.
Yeah, it looks good, eh?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, there we go. Our first pair of pants. That's the shirt that she got from Shein. And look at that. I think they turned out really fucking good. If you guys want more videos just like this with me and my girlfriend Jessie, we're gonna be doing this every single week, every Wednesday, and yeah, doing new designs, new clothes. All the stuff will be available through Depop or Instagram. Follow us at _stubborn_thrifts on Instagram. Any stuff that you see on there, you can DM us about, and you can ask for a price, and we'll be able to ship it to you anywhere. Free shipping within Canada, and then we'll talk about anything else. But
Videos posted on every Wednesday.
every Wednesday, do all the fun stuff. I gotta get lighting. There we go. Do all the fun stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week in the next video. Bye.